Hey Best Fiends fans, I'm Mark Montano, and today I am going to show you how to make Best Fiends coffee mugs using the characters Jean, Jojo, and Vincent. Are you ready? Let's make some Best Fiends coffee mugs. Here's what you'll need. White ceramic mugs, Best Fiends printouts, Americana Dishwasher-Safe Decoupage. Let's make Best Fiends mugs. Cut out the Best Fiends images. Spread Americana Dishwasher-Safe Decoupage on the back of each image. Adhere the image to the mug. Add more images around the mug. Make a set. Seal the images with more decoupage, applying extra around the edges. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And to see more of my videos, look for Mark Montano or Make Your Mark right here on YouTube.